A Japanese superhero wins an AI copyright case in China?
In a Shanghai courtroom, a Japanese superhero won a copyright battle against AI. Meanwhile, in Tokyo, that same AI could legally devour everything in sight. This isn't just about Ultraman. It's about your work becoming someone else's fuel, and Japan is showing us how it happens.
Hey, I'm Declan Dunn, and this is the AI Optimist. We're talking about AI eats copyright to look at a model in Japan which is taking in all copyrightable content in the country is allowed to be taken into AI. And what comes out or any impacts is left up to the courts. There's ways to do it. I'm going to go in and show you why Ultraman, one of the biggest characters in Japan, stood up in China and was awarded a copyright violation, and the weird contradiction where Japan allows it to go in there and China says no this time, but with a reason that's really interesting. In Tokyo, right now, AI systems are feasting on copyrightable content within Japan. No permission and no payments, though we're going to get to that a little later. It's actually a decent model. See, for the last few months, I've been focusing on copyright, and engineers have stood up and said, hey, why don't you recognize our case, that why we should put copyrightable content in? And I found that the country of Japan, their AI model is run on putting AI copyrightable content into it. That manga you created, that's comics and cartoons. That's legal training data. That song you recorded, fair game for AI. But it's not that simple. There are boundaries and rules around this allowing access to copyrightable content to learn, as long as it doesn't do it to really replicate, to copy it, or to challenge somebody financially. We're going to look into what Japan's doing, their AI model, and what it could teach our creators and our own approach to AI. So how does Japan's Ultraman get copyright protection in China